Today I will tell you a motivation and inspiration story about appreciating simple heartfelt gifts. This story will teach you that the most meaningful presents don't have to be expensive. When Linda was 7 years old, she overheard her mother telling a friend that the next day was her 30th birthday. This surprised Linda for two reasons. First, she never realized her mom even had a birthday. And second, she couldn't remember her ever getting a single gift. Linda decided to do something about that. She went to her room, opened her piggy bank, and took out all the money inside, just 5 nickels, representing 5 weeks of allowance. She walked to Mr. Sawyer's little store on the corner and said she wanted to buy a gift for her mom's birthday. Mr. Sawyer showed her everything in the store costing a quarter. There were some ceramic figurines her mom would love, but she already had plenty and Linda had to dust them. There was also candy, but her diabetic mom couldn't eat it. The last item was a pack of bobby pins. Linda's mom had beautiful long black hair she washed and pin curled twice a week. When she took the pin curls out, her cascading dark curls made her look like a movie star. Linda decided the bobby pins would be the perfect gift. She gave Mr. Sawyer the nickels and took home the bobby pins. With no money left for wrapping paper, she wrapped them in a colorful comic strip sheet. At breakfast the next morning, she gave her mom the package and wished her a happy birthday. Her mom just sat in stunned silence for a moment before tearing open the gift. By the time she uncovered the bobby pins, she was sobbing. Linda quickly apologized, saying she only wanted to give her a happy birthday. Her mom assured she was happy this was the first birthday present she'd ever received. She thanked Linda with a kiss on the cheek and showed the gift to the whole family. Then she went to pin curl her hair with her new bobby pins. After she left, Linda's dad said where he grew up they didn't make a fuss over adult birthdays. But seeing how overjoyed she made her mom rethought that. Linda had set a new precedent. From then on, her mom received birthday presents every year from the whole family. As they grew up and earned more, the gifts got nicer. For her 50th, they pooled money for a pearl and diamond ring. At the party, she proudly passed it around to show her wonderful gift. Later, Linda overheard her dad say it was the best present her mom ever got. But she replied the best was that first package of bobby pins from Linda. The moral is that the most heartfelt gifts don't have to be expensive. Linda's simple present straight from the heart was the most precious to her mom. I hope you enjoyed this motivation and inspiration story. Please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.